What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. I typically start off my morning with some tea. It's either bush tea, hot chocolate, or ginger tea, a variety tea. Say hi to True. Good morning. And I have my homemade bread. I have my eggs, a little piece of cheese, and I have these delicious scrumptious grapes. That's usually my breakfast. I also add a banana because I don't like to feel hungry. So I try to make my breakfast as big as possible. In between, if I'm still like feeling a little hungry, I'll either have some grapes, I'll have a glass of milk, I'll drink some water, I'll eat some crackers, I'll eat some carrots. That snack. Lunchtime. So for lunch, I'm having spinach and okra, snapper, and rice and peas. Sometimes, if I don't have any leftover, I'll make like a quick lunch, which is like tuna salad, or I'll do a wrap, which will probably have like the same items, tuna, and salad in a wrap. Dinner time, that's when I try out my new recipes and stuff. So dinner is usually delicious. So for dinner, I'm going to be doing this chicken casserole type dish. So I have some whole wheat penny pasta. I go ahead and I boil it, add the sauce. I have some chopped onions and garlic and some spinach. I like to season up my chicken breast really good so that it flavors the entire dish. So the chicken breast is seasoned with my Slap Your Mama seasoning, garlic and parsley, salt and pepper. I go ahead and I chop them up and then I put them in there. So I'm like layering it like lasagna because it tastes so good. It tastes like a lasagna. So I go ahead and I layer some spinach in there. I put one layer on the bottom and then I put the spinach and then I put a little bit of cheese just to keep it together. And then I add the final layer and I top that bad boy with some cheese. Oh my gosh. It is so good. It is so good. Of course, the cheese is optional. If you don't want to add cheese, you don't have to. But it's so much better with cheese. It's so much better with cheese and it came out so good. And that's pretty much it. That's all I have. That's all I eat in a day. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.